Welcome back to the Barbecue Lab. I'm David Gafford, and today we're going to teach you our hand-smashed guacamole recipe. Guacamole has become a staple in our household, and we make it from scratch all the time. What I want to do today is teach you how to make it, and you can make it in just 3 or 4 minutes. It's actually really easy, and we find that the simpler the guacamole, the more delicious it is on multiple dishes, because when it gets too complex, it kind of overrides the dish that you're eating it with. So what I want to do is show you how to do this. We're going to do it real time. So we're going to start with 3 avocados, and then we're going to take a jalapeno, we're going to take a 1/4 cup of cilantro, couple tablespoons of onion, the juice of half a lime, and some cracked sea salt, and that's all we're gonna put in this today. So I wanna show you how we do it. We're gonna take some avocados, and all we're gonna do is we've scored them down the middle. We're gonna go ahead and take the pit out, and all you do is take your knife, give it a little pop like that, and a little twist. That's how that comes out quite easy. But we're gonna go ahead and just score these so we can get them out and into the bowl. Now, the same thing, I'm going to do this with all of our avocados, and we're going to take those fresh slices and just scoop them out into our bowl here. Get that delicious goodness out there. Now, we take 3 avocados to make this recipe. You could do it with less if you have fewer people in the house. You just got to think about how many people you actually have in the house and how much you're going to need. But it's a really easy recipe, and I'll tell you, this is something that is great for parties, great for having people over, it's great for entertaining. I gotta tell you, we do it all the time. You ever seen someone take out 2 avocado seeds with 1 knife before at the same time? There you go. First time for everything, right? There's 2. Oh, you gotta watch out for this. In your avocados, watch out for your stem. That's not great eats, okay? Last one. All right, I'm not gonna do all 3. Pop and turn. Take these, score them. Scoop them out. And these avocados are gorgeous. Now, if you have avocados that you picked up at the supermarket and they're not quite ripe enough, they're not ready, what we do is we stick them in a paper bag and seal up that paper bag on the end. Then we'll take that paper bag and just leave it on the counter for a day or 2, and you're gonna have some gorgeously ripe avocados. Now, if your avocados are getting too ripe and you need to slow down the ripening process, what we do is we just stick them in the fridge. Sticking them in the fridge is a really easy way to get them to slow down. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the lime juice, it's half of a lime, we're gonna add this in, and we're gonna take our cracked sea salt, we're gonna add this in on top as well, and then we smash. And that lime and that sea salt's gonna give it a little bit of liquid to move around in the bowl. The sea salt's gonna help it kind of mash into a gorgeous guacamole paste. And we're just looking for a rough mash here. It doesn't have to be something completely creamy and smooth. All right, so we'll take that. Now, we're gonna go ahead and add our little bit of other ingredients. We have our jalapeno. And we did go ahead and take out the seeds and devein this jalapeno. So we don't have the seeds, the heat that's gonna add there. We have our cilantro, and then we have our onion. And with those things, we mix. We use this recipe with all kinds of dishes. I mean, we use this with breakfast, with eggs, we use this with hash browns, we use this with tacos, fajitas, all kinds of things. And we love sharing this recipe with you. So if you haven't made guacamole at home, you are missing out, because this stuff is absolutely delicious. It's so fresh. That lime gives it that pop, but yet it's so creamy from the avocado. this is one I recommend that you give a shot at home. So if you like this video, make sure you hit that bell and subscribe here on YouTube. Or if you're seeing this on Facebook, make sure you give it a like. We love sharing our recipes to help you win your weekend so you can amaze your friends, to show your family that you're awesome in the kitchen, you're great at outdoor cooking. And if you have friends that like to cook, share the channel with them. We love meeting new friends all around the world. But this is a winner. I hope you try it at home. I'm David Gaffer from the Barbecue Lab. We'd love to connect with you on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. We're on Pinterest, YouTube. We'd love to find you there. So this is me signing off for now. Thanks for joining us. Look forward to seeing you next time.